I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Good morning, Cardano family. It's your boy Boomin coming at you with yet another video, guys. Another day, another video of Boomin talking about the greatest crypto in all of cryptocurrency, guys. We're talking about ADA. So, if you like me talking about ADA, go ahead and leave about 4-5 comments down below and hit the like button for me, guys. Thank you so much to everybody leaving all the comments, even the people saying that Cardano's not going anywhere. And it's funny how people always leave negative comments during a bear market, but during a bull run, it's diamond hands this, can't wait to buy more. Oh, is 100 ADA enough for me to stake? People were literally asking that. Is 100 ADA enough to stake in Reddit forums? And now we have the opportunity to load up on ADA, and people don't want it. It's really funny. Think about it like this, guys. Let's just say, and I use this analogy a lot. Let's just say you had your eye on some new shoes, okay? I'm not a real big shoe guy, you know, as long as they're comfortable, you know, and not too expensive, I'll wear them. But let's just say you're a big shoe sneakerhead, and the new Jordans came out last week, and they're $500 for these new Jordans, right? I think Jordans all look the same, but I know that's blasphemy to some of y'all. The new Jordans come out last week, and let's just say they go on sale. They're 20% off. Okay, so you had to pay $500 a week ago, but now they're 20% off. I don't know what 20% of 500 is, but you guys know the deal. Are you gonna be like, nah, you know what? These Jordans aren't going anywhere. I'm not gonna buy them. Of course not. You would buy them in a heartbeat. Same thing with a pair of jeans. Or 99% of the people who watch my videos are men. Let's just say a new car came out. A new Ford F-150. Now, you know, I'm not a real big truck guy, but those things do look pretty fancy. And they are pretty practical. Let's just say the new Ford F-150 came out and it's $60,000. But if there's a clearance sale on Ford F-150s and they're 50% off, and now you could get one for $30,000, are you gonna be like, oh, nah, you know what? I'm gonna pass. Ford F-150 is not, the price isn't high enough, so you know I'm just gonna, you know, skip out and buy a $60,000 Tesla. Absolutely not. You had your eye on the Ford. It's on discount. You're going to buy it now. People don't think the same way. It's funny. People will do that with liabilities all the time. They'll buy discounted liabilities all the time, every single day of the week. But discounted assets, they run away. I don't understand. I never will understand. And that's okay. I'm glad I don't understand that, because that's how rich people get rich. All right? That's how rich people get rich. They know that people don't buy assets at a discount. They know people only buy assets when the prices are going up. So they use that to their advantage, and they're going to continue to do so. So thank you again for all the comments down below, even though you're wrong. And it's okay to be wrong. I've been wrong before. And we're going to keep chopping wood. So we got a development update here, guys. Let's get right into it. Ongoing work with the UTXO and HD Genesis development. Daedalus version 5.1.0 released, and Lace Explorer's beta program announced. Marlow runtime functionality improved. Progress made on the backup restoring functionality at the Hydra node. Project Catalyst is preparing for Fund 10. 103 projects launched on Cardano. 6.4 million native tokens. 3,500 Plutus scripts. 1,122 projects building on Cardano right now, 63K token policies, and 52.4 million total transactions on the Cardano blockchain. This week, the Ledger team addressing technical debt. The infrastructure for serialization schemes versioning is now in place. They took the first steps towards implementing proper support for the former Ledger's repository, particularly by adding Nix builds and continuous integration support. They are now finalizing an investigation for the performance of a critical function used by the consensus layer for leader checks. Finally, the team is in process of improving code packaging and versioning. The consensus team worked on adding proprietary tests for different aspects of the UTXO, prototype, error transitions, mempool, backing store, which help uncover a bug. Work is ongoing in Genesis development. The team benchmarked a different version of the chain sync jumping prototype and inspected its performance. Daedalus team released version 5.1.0 and now working on dependency upgrades. Work is ongoing with Lace development. The team resolved wallet restoration issues and started moving trace of the bridge component for the Cardano wallet. The Lace platform was also presented during the Rare Bloom event, where Lace team showcased the beta product. During this event, the team announced that upcoming Lace Explorers beta program. If you're interested in participating in the development process by helping test the wallet's functionality and scalability before the mainnet launch, you could sign up. Okay, so there's a beta program that you could test Lace wallet. I'm extremely excited. Matter of fact, Lace team is recruiting for community manager roles. Maybe I might do that. Maybe I might apply to that. I mean, I'm sure there's more qualified people out there, but maybe I might throw my hat in there to be a community manager for the Lace team. That would be kind of cool. The Adestria team remained focused on getting Cardano JavaScript SDK production ready. The team also worked on multi-sig shared wallets as well. The smart contracts team worked on the CESP release process and the exploratory parts of the process increment. They made progress implementing Babbage support in the support tools transaction builder library, implemented a stake pool delegation indexer for Macroni, and added more integration tests. Marlowe team added balancing to solve Marlowe runtime transaction constraints and wrote a function that generates relevant choice input data for tests. They also fixed collisions in the default Marlowe transaction port argument, fixed incorrect UTXO query results, and implemented apply inputs constraints and build create constraints. And then we've got the Hydra team working on implementing ADR 18, the backup and restore functionality of the Hydra node. The early version of this feature was already tested by SundaySwap in their recent demonstration of the DEX running on Hydra. Pretty cool video. The team also worked on updating the specification, met with researchers, discussed a solution for securing rollbacks past the opening of the head. They also responded to recent requests for static executables by prioritizing, implementing, and merging this feature. The Mithril team has been actively monitoring the current Mithril test environment following the release of the now experimental certified registration of the SPOs. They identified and fixed some issues that prevented a genuine SPO from registering. The team also continued implementing a new version of the release process while working on new CI/CD workflows. And then finally, guys, we have the Catalyst team. Continue to finalize project onboarding. 216 projects were funded in Fund 19 and are now going through due diligence sitting, reporting expectations. Preparation for Fund 9 is in process. There's a wide recognition that processes need to mature, simplify, and become more autonomous, remain inclusive. I'm starting to hate that word. And continue to demonstrate value on the broader Cardano ecosystem. As a result, new changes will be introduced to the community for consideration before the Fund 10 launch. Wow, that went a lot longer than I had anticipated, but time is up and I want to watch UFC. So shout out to OneComm, ticker symbol 1COMM, 0% fees until at least the end of December 2022 for all existing and new delegators. Don't forget, guys, UFC is occurring now. They're in Abu Dhabi, not later tonight, right now. So if you want to watch some UFC tonight, make sure you turn it on now. I know a lot of y'all gonna miss it, but anyway, 0% fees list December 2022 for all existing and new delegators. Keep chopping wood, guys. I'll talk to you soon with the Cardano and Vechain's updates. Let's go. Leave some comments down below, and happy Saturday to everyone. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you for tuning in and watching daily Vechain and Cardano videos on Satoshi Boomin channel. I want to say a wonderful shout out to our wonderful Patreons here: Maryland for Crypto, Anthony Andrews, Faruz Den, Kyle Bachi, CryptoSVT.si, Angeltopia, DNC Vale, Leon Jackson II, Kragan, All Flare LLC, Lucky Sunshine Token, and Catherine Braun. Guys, let's keep chopping wood. Don't let your means be dreams, and thank you so much for your wonderful Patreon support.